Hi, I'm Frank, the low carb cocktail guy, and today it's a review video. I haven't done this in a while, and I got my hands on this stuff, and I'm like, let's check this out. And these are liqueurs coming from a company called Above Board, and they're sugar-free and keto-friendly liqueurs. A lot of people say that. That's why I make my own. They're never any good. They don't taste that great, and I'm very leery of people who make those claims. So I got my hands on a couple of bottles of it. Well, 3 bottles, one of each of their flavors they have out: a coffee, an Irish cream, and an orange. All 3 liqueurs I've made on my channel. You can go check those videos when you get a chance. I might put a link in the description below or something like that. But I've made all 3 of these liqueurs myself. And I've made them absolutely either 0 or minimal, like 2 or 3 grams of carbs in my Irish cream just from the heavy cream. I went back and forth with them on Instagram through Messenger, talked with them a little bit. And I'm like, yeah, this is actually pretty good. So we going back and forth before I actually got them is because I had questions. Whenever I see people put up things like sugar-free, keto-friendly, low carb, I question them like I'm the KGB going after somebody during the Cold War.
Why are you here?
Why am I here? Why are you here? Why is anybody here? I think it was John Paul Sartre who once said, how do you spell Sartre? Ow! And let that be a lesson to you.
Every minute you don't tell us why you're here, I cut off a finger.
Mine or yours?
Yours.
Damn.
I had question after question after question, and every question I had, they had an answer to. So the sweetener that they use, and I believe it's an allulose monk fruit blend, specific ratios of it. So allulose, you had me there. I'm like, okay, well, that's what I use, and all my stuff comes out really, really yummy. So I got a bottle of each of their flavors and tried them out, and got some good news and some bad news. So let's talk about how they come out. So I have a little bit of my own coffee left right here, and for my coffee liqueur, I've made this a bunch of times, and it's super easy, tastes really, really good. And this is theirs. Now mine is, I didn't go into the details of how they make it, what's the situation. I'm sure a lot of that's proprietary information, and if they told me they'd have to kill me kind of thing, I'm assuming that'd be it. But mine is I take leftover coffee after we brew a pot in the morning, and I use that with my sweeteners and my other ingredients to make my coffee liqueur. In all honesty, this has a little bit more coffee smell. Mine tastes really, really good. I love my coffee liqueur. This is one of my favorite things I've made. And one second, here we go. Nothing to cleanse the palate like a Cuba Libre. And this is theirs. Theirs has a lot more coffee flavor. It's mine, I built it to fit my palate, and I like mine a lot. Theirs is, when I mean this far off of mine, this is really, really good, really, really tasty. The coffee notes are much more prominent, so I'm assuming they do more of a maceration with theirs, but this is really good. Now let's talk about carbs. Mine is 0. Mine is 0 net carbs. Theirs, it is also 0. It's also 0 net carbs. So guys, their coffee liqueur is amazing. There may be a cocktail coming in the next video or 2. I'm using this product right here. So the coffee liqueur is delicious. Now, their Irish cream is, well, let me go back and talk about this real quick. Some of the nutrition information. Their nutrition information is on the bottle. That's really cool. But you gotta, if you know allulose and you know monk fruit, you know those will come out to be net sugars and 0 net carbs and all that. So this actually on the bottle is listed as 11 grams of carbs, but it's all the sweetener. So it's spirit, some coffee, greatness that they put in the bottle. I don't know what kind of coffee greatness they have, but it is very great. And the rest of it is sweetener, allulose and monk fruit. And let me make sure here, because I got them pulled up here. Let's see. No, so I saw somewhere on their website about them using a blend. Yeah, it's on this one here. It is on the Irish cream. So I think this one is all allulose, I think. I'm not 1,000% sure, but I'm like 999% sure. Now, the Irish cream, I don't have any in mine left, but this stuff is really good. And I'm gonna say this is better than mine. God, that's so good. That's so good. Just put that in your refrigerator, pull that out. Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker. So this is really, I'm gonna make some more. I'm gonna get some more. The Irish cream is absolutely delicious. That you can do a great mudslide with it. I think one of the things they have on here is the Irish cream and coffee as a recipe on their website. Guys, honestly, this is what I think they did. I think they stole my recipes. I think they looked at my YouTube channel and that looks really good. Let's go ahead and do that. And I think they stole my recipes off my YouTube channel and profiting from it. And that's how good this stuff really is. I'm not saying, yeah, I don't know. Maybe they did. I don't know. I didn't ask them if they stole my recipes. Maybe I should. But this stuff is great. And is it a coincidence that these are the 3 ones that are my most popular videos and these are the 3 flavors that they have? I'm starting to question this. This stuff is really, really good. So that's the Irish cream and their coffee. Their orange liqueur, their triple sec. This one was really good as well. So what I like about this one, it's got a little more viscosity to it, which is really nice. The orange on the nose is really, really good. Now, on the palate, it's okay. Let me say, it might be Irish cream in my mouth still. Yeah. Now, and I did talk to them about this after I had them, because I did try them. And I reached out to them and they asked me my opinion and I told them. But I think it's this. I think it's really light on the orange. I think the orange can be more pronounced. My orange liqueur is very orange. This is kind of more mildly orange. So, and they messaged me after I got them and I tried them all out. And they asked, what do I thought? And I told them the coffee liqueur is amazing. I told them the Irish cream is actually better than my recipe, and the orange liqueur could use more orange. And the people I've been going through back and forth on Instagram were actually the owners, Nicole and Brent. Super nice people, and they agreed with me. They thought the same thing, and they're in the middle of reformulating to increase the orange flavor as well. They thought the same thing, that it could be more orange prominent. So overall, my opinion, you got to get these. By no means, they're not a sponsor of my channel by any means, anything like that. They did send me samples, but I am honest about all my reviews. And like I told you, I think this, when they get their new batch of this out, I'm definitely gonna try that, and I'll reach back out to everybody, let you know how I think of their new orange formula. These two, go out and buy these now. You can get these on their website. They do ship to just about every state in the country. They are absolutely amazing. The orange, don't get me wrong, the orange is good. It is good. It's better than I think any other low carb or keto recipe I've come across other than my own. If you don't want to take the time, because this is very time consuming to make. It's peeling your oranges, it's letting it steep it in your spirits for 7 to 14 days, straining it out, filtering it. There's a lot of work that goes into making your orange liqueur. If you don't want to go through that and you want it quick and easy, get a bottle of Above Board. Irish cream, it's easy to make. This is better than my recipe. If you like a really predominant strong coffee note, this is what you want. This is absolutely what you want. This is, like I said, mine is really good, but mine is tone to my palate. I like my coffee a little more mild, more like on a blonde roast. This is a much heavier coffee flavor, which will stand up really good in some different cocktails, like a White Russian, a mudslide, things like that. So overall, get them, buy them. I would not be putting my name out there saying that this is good stuff if I truly didn't believe in it. So guys, if you see this, check out their website. I'll put a link in the description to go to their website. So just clearly now, it is not an affiliate link. This is a direct link to their website. I make nothing off of you going to buy this from them. This is just a product that I'm absolutely in love with, and I think that anyone on low carb or keto who's having cocktails needs to have this in their home bars. So guys, above board, Nicole, Brent, y'all done an amazing job. I can't wait for your new orange recipe to come out, as well as they told me they're working on some syrups as well. I'm really excited to see some of those types of things come out, so that's gonna be really, really nice. Guys, that's it for me. We will be having some cocktails using this stuff. I have used this quite a few times in margaritas, and my wife really, really likes them. So zero net carbs, 3 net carbs. So you can't go wrong. I just wish I would have done this first before they did. It's a project I've been thinking about, coming out my own line of sugar-free and keto liqueurs, something I've been thinking about for a few years. They beat me to it. I feel kind of defeated from that, but they're doing an amazing job, and if I was to do it myself, this is probably exactly what my stuff would taste like. So guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day, and gonna be having a great day when I make some videos with this stuff. See you later.